If you're headed to the Marriott Marquis, don't go outside, just take the sky bridge that crosses over Sumac.
If you're staying at the Marriott, there will also be a registration area for your convenience. Let's go catch up with Steven, the Director of Sales for the Marriott, to find out all about their new facility. Welcome to the brand new 4-star Marriott Marquis Hotel here in Chicago. I'm here with Steve, the Director of Group Sales for Marriott Marquis. Steve, thanks so much for having us in your beautiful new facility. Can you tell me a bit about this facility and what our guests can expect?
Sure, great. Thanks for being here today. So we're excited. The new Marriott Marquis opened last year in September. Gorgeous 1,205 room property. We're excited about the hotel because it's directly connected to McCormick Center, so the flow of guests from the center into our hotel really works well. You know, we've got some great options for any guest that stays on our 4-diamond property. The dining experience here with Woven and Bound really accommodates every guest and their need that they're going to have while they're with us. And just to be a part of the campus, the McCormick Center campus, and being here, Marriott really takes a lot of pride in the fact that we can be such a big part of what we can provide as an experience to IMTS while they're here.
Wonderful. And could you talk a bit about the amenities that Marriott offers just as a hotel facility?
Sure. You know, we have, again, 1,205 guest rooms. We have 44 suites throughout our property. Really the upgraded dining experience with our open kitchen concept that you see, as well as our chef's kitchen and that capability to provide 24/7 food delivery to our guests really works out well with everyone that stays with us.
Wow, that's wonderful. And again, we are just right here at McCormick Place. It's an easy walk, short walk across the Sky Bridge to the West Building and to the rest of McCormick Place. So it's a wonderful hotel, beautiful. You'll have to come check it out. If you want to find out more about the Marriott Marquis, check us out at IMTS.com. Steve, thanks so much for having us today. We'll see you next time on Around Chicago.
Great, thank you.
Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.